Hello everyone, this is Mukundan Raghavan, and in this video we are going to see how to use the Playwright MCP server for functional QA testing or manual QA testing. Generally people think Playwright MCP server can be used only for the Playwright automation. But today we will be going to see another dimension of Playwright MCP server to do the manual QA testing. For this experiment, we are going to the sample website saucedemo.com and we will be logging in and placing some order. This is the simple scenario we are going to do with Playwright MCP server. Before to that, we should be very clear on what are the manual steps that we are going to do. So for that, we are going to see the manual steps. So these are the manual steps. Navigate to this website, log in with valid user credentials, and also add some item to the cart and go into the shipping cart and so on. So let's go to our chat window, GitHub Copilot, and you can click this icon so that you can see the full chat window. So I'm going to give the context like you are manual QA tester and open browser. And make sure you have started your Playwright MCP server already. Now it has opened the browser. So let me keep both screens in the same view. Now, rather than typing each and everything manually, I'm going to give you the entire instructions. So navigate to the URL and do the manual steps and some general instruction to take the screenshots and to close any random pop-ups. I'm giving the permission. Actually, I'm not doing any manual steps. Everything is done by the Playwright MCP server. For every step, it is also taking the screenshot. Let's see. Now let's go to the VS Code and go to the file folder. It will create the .playwright-mcp folder. Inside that, you can see all the screenshots. Okay. So from these screenshots, again, you can create the manual test evidence, or you can just put it into some folder as evidence. So in simple words, by using the manual script, just giving to the Playwright MCP, it will do all the steps for you. Even you can open the browser in front of you so that it will do every steps in front of you. Even if anything goes wrong, you can control at that step. And this is all about this video. And always be a rainbow in others' cloud.